Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a new topic, that is mensuration from 8th class NCERT. Here is about the introduction of mensuration. So in previous classes, it means in your 6th class and 7th class, you may learn about the mensuration. So that is also about perimeter and area of plane figures, right? So those are like squares, rectangles and triangles. So both perimeter and area of any plane figures, it means two-dimensional figures, you may learn in 7th class and 6th class videos. But coming to the 8th class, we are just knowing about the area of the quadrilaterals. You know quadrilaterals, that is four-sided polygon. So by using some formulas and rules, we can learn the how to find the area of quadrilaterals. In this session, we are making a just recap of the what is the perimeter of a 2D figures. So let's take a look on that. If you consider this table, you can get the what is the area of any shape. So this is the area. But coming to the perimeter, so we know what is a perimeter. All sides are, if you count, that is called perimeter. So here in a rectangle we have opposite sides are equal, right? So how it can be called it as 2 into b plus a. In a square we have all sides equal, so that's why 4a. In a triangle we know that all sides, if you take this is a side as a, b, c. So we can count like all sides of a triangle sum. Okay, parallelogram also same, sum of the all sides of parallelogram. So if you coming to the circle, it is called circumference, but in further classes we may know about the circumference of the circle. Okay, but here area is a into b. It means one side of the rectangle into another side of the rectangle. If you multiply those two, we get area. Here perimeter formula is this. And coming to the square also, one side is a, another side also a. That's why it is a into a. We can call it as a square also. In a triangle, this is half b into h. Here b means base, h means height. So in this point, this is the called as height and this is b. It means if you take this is 20 centimeters, in that midpoint, it means 10 plus 10. That midpoint comes to the vertex, so that is called height of the triangle. So that is 1 by 2 b into h. Here parallelogram also same. This is the base and this is the height. So by based on those two values, we can get the area of the parallelogram. Coming to the circle, it is called area. Pi is a constant number. So pi is equal to 22 by 7 number. It is a constant for all values. So if any case there is a pi, we have to take it as 22 by 7. So pi, b means here radius, right? So we can call it as radius. If you prolong this, this is called diameter, right? So in this case, diameter is equal to 2r, but here r is equal to b as given. So this b is said to be radius. So r square, it means r into pi, it means b into b pi. So that is the area of the circle. By using these area and perimeter formulas, we can get any problem solutions easily. So clearly I am writing here base is equal to b, h is equal to height here also. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.